We're going to begin with a few deep breaths to get us in the moment. Today is an improv zinger, quick 5-minute movement so that you can get over your 3 p.m. slump or just move around some energy. Raise your arms up above your head, deep stretch. Take it over to one side, then the other. Nice side stretch. One more time, either side. I like to do cactus arms and then a little stretch there. Pick up the leg, stretch the front of your thigh. I'm just doing things that feel good to me. Find things that feel good for you too. So do a forward fold. Great for your head and neck. I like to shake it out a little bit. Roll up nice and slowly. I love doing some shoulder stretches, just moving the shoulders around, loosen up any tension. All right, we're gonna go into this countdown from 10 for each arm and each leg. So you can count out loud or you can count with me. But once you do 10, then go down from 9, 8, 7, so on. This really gets your heart pumping and kind of makes me laugh and makes me feel silly, and I kind of love that. Also wakes me up. Which is sometimes necessary during the 3 p.m. slump there. So shake it out. Act silly. If you feel embarrassed, that's okay. I'm right there with you. This kind of break is perfect when you're in the middle of your work day. You know, it's so important to get up on our feet and move throughout the day. All right, let's do some stepping to the side. And rotating our arms and our abs just a little bit there. Oh, that made me feel so energized. I like turning my body from the side. My arms are floppy. Feels really good on my spine. Okay, so let's do some neck rolls. Now I'm just kind of moving however I want to move. So if you feel like you're ready to move however you want to move, that's great. You can use whatever we did today, or you can follow along with me. If you want to put on your favorite song, whatever you want to do. This is your time. I'm just kind of finding things that make me feel good. I always feel happier when I allow myself time to do this. I never regret moving after I've done it, though I know it's really hard to get there. Just ending this session with a few more stretches. Thinking about what's going on, what brought you here today. Let's end in standing position, also called mountain pose. I like to put my hands on my heart. Take a few deep breaths. Remind yourself that you're grateful for you.